Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage icons in notification panels on Motorola Moto X40. To do this, let's scroll down our notification bar. We need to scroll down again. Here is all shortcuts for notification panel. You can edit them with the pen button. Now there's all available icons on the top and the ones that you can add on the bottom. You can move them by dragging them around like that. You can add any icons from the bottom by dragging them as well, or remove them the same way but in reverse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.